All right, guys. So Harbor Freight's got some more summer coupons. These are going to be super coupons going from June 30th all the way through to July 13th. So let's go ahead and check out, see what deals they got going on. So first up, we got 25% off any single hose reel. Pretty good deal here. And they got about 5 of them to choose from. So your most expensive one's going to be the Earthquake XT coming in at $170, and then you'll be able to take that 25% off on this one. So that should bring this down to about $128 if my math is correct. Then they also got the Merlin retractable hose. This is one of my favorite. It's comparable to the Flexzilla. Really nice flexible line here. 80 bucks, and you're going to get about a $20 savings on this one, bringing the price down to about $60 with that 25% off. So not a bad deal there if you guys are looking for a hose reel. They're also going to have a 20% off coupon for all the Maddox products. Good deal there. All right, next to that, they got the Fortress 6-gallon 150 PSI. This is the ultra quiet job site air compressor. $50 off on this, bringing the price down to $180. All the way to the right, they got the gravity fed air spray gun. This one's going to have the regulator, so 20 bucks for that. So we got some air hoses here by Merlin. We got the 3/8 inch 100 foot for 40, half inch 50 foot for 40, and then we got the half inch 100 foot for 60. And then they got the Chief 1/4 inch straight air die grinder, 45 bucks. We got the Daytona Jax 6-ton, back down to $60, 25% off. Not a bad deal. Got some Automotive fastener kit, 12 bucks. We got the Pittsburgh transmission jack coming in at $90. And then we got the Daytona 1.5 ton racing series aluminum floor jack, $125 for that one. All right, we'll scroll down a little bit here. Got the Maddox universal locking lug nut removal set. These might come in handy for you guys for 35 bucks. Got the Daytona crossbeam for $60. And all the way to the right here, we got the Badlands 12,000 pound winch with synthetic rope and wireless remote for $530. They also got the Badlands 2500 ATV winch. Not a bad pickup here for, say, a 4-wheeler or something like that. Got some towing light kits, some straps. They got the Viking 1700 peak amp jump starter and power bank for $170. RoadShock 3-inch LED lights. And then we jump into generators and plumbing. So they got the 4,550 watts Predator generator, $630 for this one. They got the bigger 8,750 watt inverter generator for $1,000. So these are going to be open frame style. And then we got the Predator 224cc max performance gas engine for $160. And then also for Predator, they got the new 200 watt super lightweight foldable solar panel for 200 bucks. $30 off on that one. Jump into some hand tools. Quinn half inch 83 piece socket set for $130. Got the 3/8 inch drive digital torque adapter for 28 bucks. And then we got the Quinn half inch drive deep socket set. That's a 10 piece for $30. All right, we got some Icon wrenches here. So this is a stubby metric combination wrench set. This is the 10 piece. These are the ratcheting ones, pretty nice, $70. And then all the way to the right, they got the 7-piece SAE ratcheting combination wrench set for $60. Jump into some lighting and specialty. Got the 12 outlet 4-foot metal power strip, 15 bucks for this. They got the Icon 2100 lumen floodlight for $48. The Vanguard extension cord for $40. The cheap little Braun work light for $5, 250 lumens. They also got the headlamp. This is the 500 lumens for $10. And then we jump into material handling and safety. So we're going to get the Hardy gloves. We got the box of the 7mm coming in at $10.99. I already picked up a bunch of these during the parking lot sale. And then we do got some mechanic gloves for $10. They got the leather mesh back gloves for $8. Safety glasses for $2.19. And we got the slime tube sealant for $30. So we got the Bauer 2300 PSI pressure washer, $220. Got some tarps, the flag, garden hose for $25.99. Guys looking for a cheap leaf rake, 11 bucks for that. Then we got another weather resistant tarp here for $6. Jump into power tools, see what they got going on here. So 6-inch universal polishing pads for $8. Got some microfiber towels. Doesn't look like they got a lot going on for the tools so far. Well, here's a Hercules breaker hammer for 400 bucks, 100 bucks off on that. And then they do have the Bauer compact router. This is the 6.5 amp for 50 bucks. Got the router bit set, 5-piece for $15. And that's about it for the tools, so not much going on there. Shop and garage, we got the 30-inch pedestal fan for $130, foldable shop crane for $330. Vivani handheld sprayer for 40 bucks, and then we got the engine stand for $90. 3-gallon Bauer wet and dry vacuum for 30 bucks. We got the stool, and then all the way to the right we got the Icon 400-pound capacity professional creeper for $110. So it looks like they got the Yukon storage cabinet back on sale down to $300, kind of a going sale price for that. And then we got the metal ammo can for $10. Jump into welding and machinery. We got the titanium stick welder, $225 for $289.99. Got some welding wire, 6-inch swivel vise by Doyle for $180, and the Chicago Electric spot welder for $150. All right, guys, so there you go. The super coupons going on right now, June 30th through July 13th. Just keeping you updated on what's going on at Harbor Freight. Hopefully you guys found the video informative. If you did, smash that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Till the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.